What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm excited to unbox and share my first impressions on the Tribit XSound Surf Bluetooth speaker. Let's get started. So before we unbox, let's take a look around the box. So right here we have an overview of the features. So first, this is IPX7 rated waterproof, so it can actually be submerged under water. So I'm actually gonna show that later in the video. It features Bluetooth 5.0 technology. It does feature a long battery life, so on a full charge, it does say that it will give you 10 hours of playtime. And you also have superior sound, which we're gonna test out later in the video. And you do get that stereo sound quality. And by the way, you can also pair another XSound Surf Bluetooth speaker with this, so you have a dual stereo sound experience. So now let's get to the unboxing. Okay. One thing I do like right away from unboxing this is the fact that they label all the boxes for you. So right here you have your USB-C cable. So let's take that out. I think we have to take out the speaker first. Let's see. Yeah, we did need to take out the speaker first. We're gonna get to the speaker in a second. You have your user manual right here. We're gonna put that aside. Now, another cool thing about this speaker, which if you watched any of my previous videos, you would understand, is I love any speaker, any device that uses USB-C. I think it's great, it's more reliable, it's better. And I just prefer USB-C over micro USB, which is more common with some of these speakers. Now let's move on to the speaker. And let's see how it feels in the hand here. So it does have a little bit of weight to it, and just from feeling around, it does feel more premium than some of the other cheap speakers out there. And it just feels well built all around. You have your controls up here, which I'm gonna go over in a second. And at the bottom, you have these 4 bubbles, so that way it has more grip to whatever surface you are putting it on. To the side here, you have your auxiliary cable, the 3.5 millimeter input here for your aux cable, and your USB-C cable as well to charge the speaker. Let's now talk about controls up here. So very straightforward. You have your power button, you have your Bluetooth button, you have the pause and play button, and then you have your volume down and the volume up. Now, for you to pair it, just turn it on and then hold down the Bluetooth button for a few seconds until it goes into pairing mode, and you can pair it with the device you're trying to use it with. Now that I unboxed the speaker, let's talk about price and its notable features. So starting off with price, it's currently $25, but there is a $5 coupon that you can apply, and you can get this speaker for $20, which in my opinion is a great price for the features that you're getting with this. And speaking of features, like I mentioned, this is IPX7 rated to be waterproof, which means it can be submerged underwater. It also has Bluetooth 5.0 technology for a more seamless pairing when it comes to any of your devices. It also features USB-C connectivity, which means that when it's time to charge this speaker, it's using USB-C, which I already mentioned I'm a huge fan of because a lot of my devices that I use USB-C. So it just makes it way much more easier for a person like myself to use that charger. It also has a built-in microphone, so you can accept any calls coming into your device from the speaker, and you can talk through the speaker and you'll be just fine. You also have this awesome feature, which is actually common with other speakers out on the market, which you can pair another XSound Surf speaker with this speaker, so you have 2 XSound Surf speakers running, and that way you are experiencing way better quality music when the 2 speakers are playing together. So that's a very cool feature as well. Now let's test the sound quality of this speaker. Starting off with 25% volume, I'm gonna play this royalty-free EDM music at 16 minutes and 30 seconds, and I'm gonna do the same thing for each level of volume that I'm testing. So I'm gonna test 25, 50, 75, and 100%. So it's currently at 25. So let's put the phone down, and let's now test out the IPX7 rating that was given to this speaker. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play the same royalty-free EDM music that I was playing earlier at around 40% volume, also around the same time mark, so around 16 minutes and 30 seconds. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my best to submerge it. So as you can see, the speaker is as tall as the pitcher of water that I have here, but I'm gonna try to fully submerge it as much as I can without making a mess. I do have a towel just in case, and let's begin right now. Oh, here we go. Still going under the water. It's not completely under the water. I don't know if you can see, a little bit has popped out, but really 90% of it is underneath the water, and it's still going. Let me see if I can make it louder. Look at that. Yeah, so what you're seeing there, the splashes of water, that's the bass kicking in. And I did make a mess here, but it's fine. So let's put the pitcher aside. Still working perfectly fine. So the IPX7 rating is accurate. So what did everybody think of the sound quality? Personally, for me, I think it performed very well for its price point. So, like I mentioned, this is a $25 speaker, but there's currently a $5 coupon. But based on all the features that it has, between the USB-C connectivity, between the fact that it's IPX7 waterproof, between the decent sound quality, between the 100 feet range, I think it is worth it in my book. But what I'm gonna be doing over the next couple of weeks is I'm gonna take the speaker and I'm gonna compare it to other speakers that I currently own, Bluetooth speakers, such as the Unz Angle 3 and the Duo 10 E7 speaker. So I'm gonna be putting this speaker to the test to make sure that it does perform very well and to see how well it performs comparing to other speakers in the next coming weeks. But this was my unboxing and first impressions video of the Tribit XSound Surf speaker. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them down below. Hope you have a great day. Take care.